So hello everybody. I decided to do a continuation, I can't even speak today, a continuation of the video that I did a little while ago on my Cricut Explore Air. I did an unboxing, and then in that unboxing video I had stated that I would do a project and come back and show you what the project was and talk more about it. So what I did was, I really, to be honest, have not played around with the Cricut as much as my other family members have. But this time I decided to get involved. And this is one of the vinyls that I was able to make. If you see it there, it's going to look backwards, but it's got my name on my Mac. So anyway, so we made a fun little evening out of it. So I did take some footage and I wanted to share it with you so that you guys could have more of an educated, be able to make more of an educated decision as to whether or not the Cricut Explore Air 2 would be for you. I personally like it. I believe that there's a lot of Cricut tutorials out there for specific things that you might want to make out of it. And the reason why I'm putting this video out now is because I figure with the children about to end their regular school year, you know, in the summer months of, you know, June, July, I was thinking, especially homeschool children and also children that are in brick and mortar schools, if any type of the Cricut systems that are out there. I know that there's smaller devices in the Explore Air 2. There's other smaller Cricuts, but I was thinking as a parent, you can actually, if your child is into crafts and art and graphics, that you could easily get a couple of tutorials from YouTube that teach you simple basics and something that your child can easily follow. And also for any age, but I was thinking a summer school type of thing that you could do at home to make the summer a little bit more interesting. And also I was thinking it's a practical thing that children can learn how to do despite whether they're in elementary school, middle school, or high school, because it actually teaches them a craft, a trade that they can take on with them. And right now, graphic artists are, you know, the rage. And we've always known that technology is, you know, on the rise as far as jobs are concerned. But graphic artists right now, they're very hard to find a really good graphic artist. And a lot of companies hire graphic artists for their marketing campaigns and their marketing materials that they use. All kinds of businesses have to use marketing types of graphics, whether it's online or in print. So I was thinking it's a very practical skill to learn. So I will show you my footage and then let you decide whether or not the Explore Air 2 is for you or your family. And I'll also link the video below on my first unboxing of the Explore Air 2. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications, and feel free to leave me your comments below. All right, let's get started. So here you'll see how I use my vinyl. You can use one color or two colors like I did here to place a name. And of course, once you print out your vinyls, you can put it on a cup, on a notebook, as you see here. And the vinyls come in really handy for all kinds of marketing or even school projects. This is another vinyl that I decided to make to place on my computer. And this is another one that I made. Of course, that went somewhere else. So I decided I would add this flower here as well as this strawberry to hopefully inspire your creative juices to start flowing. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell your friends about this channel. I appreciate all your support. Thank you.